Hello friends, today we'll see software bug from KKR Polytechnic, Nasik. First we'll see the definition of software bug. So in computer technology, in computer field, bug is nothing but a coding error in a computer program. A software bug is an error. It can be called as flaw, mistake, or it can be a failure, fault, undocumented feature in requirement document that prevents our program, that prevents our software to behave, to work as per our expectations as intended. For example, producing an incorrect or unexpected result in the software. There are various terminologies of software failures: defect, fault, problem, error, incident, anomaly, variance, failure, inconsistency, feature, bug. We'll see what is error. Error is nothing but discrepancy between a computed or observed or measured value or any condition and the true, specified or theoretically correct value or condition. So in this we compare with the theoretical value and we find out the difference called as error. Next is human error or mistake. It is a human action or it can be an action that produces unintended result in the software. Fault is again a defect or bug. It is an abnormal condition which occurred, and because of that, reduction in loss of capability, function unit of program. A fault is the cause of an error, and failure is nothing but the inability of that system to perform its required functions within the specified performance requirements. These software bugs occur when one or more of the following 5 rules is true. So these are the 5 rules of software testing. Whenever you want to do software testing, you should know these rules. The first rule is the software doesn't do something that the product specification says it should do. The software does something that the product specification says it shouldn't do. Now we'll see the first rule. The software doesn't do something that the product specification says it should do. Software is not doing what is in their specification, so it is called as bug. Software does something that the product specification say it should not do. So in the requirement document it is not mentioned, but it is there in the software. So it is again an error. The software does something that the product specification does not mention. Product specification does not mention that particular thing, but it is in the software. Again, there is a problem. The software doesn't do something that the product specification doesn't mention, but it should. Some mandatory things are there, like bank balance should be not less than 0. So it is the mandatory condition and it should be automatically developed, used by the developer. So if it is not mentioned, but developer must do that. If it is not there, then it is a problem. The software is difficult to understand, hard to use, very slow, not convenient, not comfortable. It is also called as a bug. So everybody should know all these 5 rules while testing. Why do this bug occurs? So there are various causes. So a major cause of bug is specification. If the specifications are not well communicated, not well written, they are constantly changing in nature, not communicated with their whole team, not perfect planning. So it is a major source of bug producer specification. If the bug occur in specification, then definitely those bugs are you find in the design phase, and these are the because of specifications. Third phase is coding. It is also a major phase, and it is because of software complexity. It is because of poor documentation, schedule pressure, and mistakes of the programmer. So this chart shows you the cost of bug, how it increased. So if you find out the problem in the very first stage, specification stage, then the cost of the bug is very less. Afterwards, if you find a bug in later phases, then cost of the bug get increased. So this chart shows you how the cost increase. Thank you.